Hello everybody, get ready to witness the epitome of speed and technology, the SR-72. Immerse yourself in the remarkable world of this hypersonic marvel that even surpasses the NGAD. The SR-72 is a groundbreaking aircraft designed to fly at mind-boggling hypersonic speeds, exceeding Mach 5. With its cutting-edge combined cycle propulsion systems, advanced materials, and stealth capabilities, the SR-72 represents a quantum leap in aviation technology. This extraordinary speed, agility, and operational versatility makes the SR-72 a game changer in reconnaissance, strike capabilities, and global response. The SR-72 signifies a paradigm shift in the military aviation, redefining what is possible. Its hypersonic capabilities and unmatched versatility empowers us with unprecedented mission flexibility. The SR-72, a symbol of human ingenuity and pinnacle of high-speed flight, propelling us into the future where possibilities are limitless. Thanks for watching.